in 2024 going forward, there's two main buckets that I think are the most valuable for digital marketing. The first one, and I've done this and still do it, I do digital marketing for people that have small businesses, brick and mortar, online businesses, projects, things where they hire me to do the digital side. It can be websites, it can be online ads, it can be content, it could be video, it could be consulting, it can be back-end automation. I got started in that a long, long time ago because I had to learn how to market my own things. I think back in like 2011 or 12. 2012, I published my first iPhone app. You publish an app, you have to be able to market it, you need a website. Like, so I just had to learn all these things. And then a couple years later, I was getting paid to help people do the same thing in their app business and other things. So it just kept going, and then it naturally progressed into, you know, normal brick and mortar businesses and online businesses. So to me, if you take like a Legendary Marketer course or the Roadmaps course or all these other things, and you learn those skills and you start reaching out, it's kind of like, to me, there's a lot of content online about social media management. It's not something I'm very interested in. I see the appeal. I think it's hard to get clients that pay enough, you know, to make it worth it. But that's like helping them create content or doing it for them for their organic pages. A lot of what I do on the digital backend is like help people set it up. And then of course we do ads. So we put money behind it. So the skills that it takes to learn how to do all the ads and whatnot. So if you learn about digital marketing, and then you can, plenty of other videos to get into this, but you have to then take those skills and sell yourself to help other people. And then the second bucket is, of course, you can create your following, create you know, a digital product of your own, whether it's a course, program, consulting, and you're able to, well, I suppose it wouldn't be consulting, it would be digital products. So like an ebook, a course, a paid community, something like that. And you build up. So like right now, if I were to build up a community on digital marketing and trying to help either other digital marketers getting started. So it's like there's advanced digital marketers who've been doing this for a long time. I consider myself one of those people, had a lot of clients, made a lot of money, have seen a lot of different things. And then there's the people that are just getting into it. Maybe you're seeing this video, maybe you're seeing videos like, hey, I have to learn it so I can then like go get clients. There's those people. And then there's the other people that are like, I don't want to do any of that. I just want to make money. And then they're attracted to like kind of the Legendary Marketer stuff. And there's a lot of other programs like that, you know, you buy it. There's like a $30 one, a 60 and 100, or it's like 200, 400, 600, and you buy it, and then you have the rights to that, and they teach you, oh, I bought that one too, just to learn. It's going down a rabbit hole. You're learning how to sell people that don't know any better, in my opinion. They don't know any better, that the only way they can make money is to sell this to their friends on Facebook or something like that. And yes, they can make money and it's easy, but to me, in closing, the best ways to apply digital marketing in this day and age is to do it for businesses or people that have money, you know, their projects, or to learn how to do it and market yourself and build up a brand.